Hey everyone, today we are making the Polaroid OneStep SX70 camera. Going into a bit of the history of this set, the SX70 is a folding single-lens reflex land camera first produced by the Polaroid Corporation in 1972. It was the first instant SLR in history and the first camera to use Polaroid's new integral print film, which developed automatically without the need for intervention from a photographer. Prior to this, you had to take your film in to be developed, which would take a couple of days. This Lego set is targeted towards adults, being 18 plus, but anyone can really build this. I got this build because it looked interesting and I don't have any model style Lego sets. They're all minifig based Lego sets. So this was going to be something different, something you can put on display. It's not something that you can, that you're going to play with a lot or anything like that. But my expectation is it's going to be a quick, easy build, but a fun one still. Well, there you have it. What a great build, and it looks fantastic. A little difficult in parts, especially with the mechanism that pushes the camera photos out the front. Other than that, great fun. Once again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.